Hey guys, welcome home. Patrick Don, the HP Realty, part of the Johnson Group here in beautiful Savannah quarters, part of Pooler, Georgia, where we walk through a Kensington model home by Lennar. This is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath home with 2,449 square feet. Let's just check it out. So here's the beautiful dining room area. As you can see, it's got a lot of upgrades right there. We got laminate flooring, you got the tray ceilings, and you got a pantry right down there. 2 entrances into the kitchen, fantastic. But we're gonna come this way. Right here is a coat closet. We got quartz countertops, which I love that. Stainless steel appliances. I love the range hood going on right there. Now that looks like a double oven, but it's actually a microwave and oven. You got your range on the countertops. That's fantastic. I love that. All right, let's take a look at this beautiful living room. As you see here, wide open space. Tons of space for entertaining. It gives you a great shot to everything. So if you had a party or something like that, everybody could be involved. It's fantastic. It also goes out to a screen porch. A little lake right there. That's fantastic. And we'll have the screen porch later. But let's go into the primary bedroom and check that out. So now, in this beautiful primary bedroom, as you can see up top, tray ceilings. I love the light fixtures. It's great. King size bed. You see there's tons of room for furniture. I love that. Fully walk-in closet with a lot of space in there. And then it has its own primary bathroom right here. What I like about the countertops here, dual vanity right here, cultured marble right here, so very durable and very nice. Standing shower, beautifully tiled in, and then you got your closet in here for your bathroom. So that's pretty cool. Let's go upstairs. All right, so as we come upstairs, 4 bedrooms up here. One could be a bonus room, it really just depends, but this one would be like a guest room for me, I would think. Nice size, a queen size bed right here. You could fit a king, but it'd be a little bit tight. You wouldn't have the end tables. Got a nice walk-in closet right there. That's great, but you got a view of the next house. So that's gonna be built. So let's come down to these other ones. Now I love this one because it's got Jack and Jill. They have their own bathroom shared with the other room. So nice space. Once again, this is a queen size bed with room for a little tea set. You got a nice size closet right there. And then we're gonna walk into the bathroom here. You see again, cultured marble right there. So you got a shower tub combo right there. White cabinets, tile floor, love that. And then you get out to this bedroom, which is fantastic. It's got a little porch out there so then you can go check out the lake, ducks, all that good stuff. And then you got, once again, carpeted floors, and then a great walk-in closet right there. Well, let's go to the other bedrooms. So now let's go into this great room. Now, I like the way they designed this one. It looks great, but this would be their bonus room, playroom, ping pong, which I like a lot. I don't know if you like ping pong, but this could be anything. A movie room, if you want to put this here. You see the popcorn machine's great. They got a seated area right there. That's something you would have to add yourself. But it's connected to the bathroom with the cultural marble and all that kind of stuff. But it's got another nice sized closet in there, walk in, beautiful. So let's go check this last bathroom out and go out to the screen porch. And this is the last bathroom we see here. Once again, cultural marble, shower tub combo in here, and a place for the toilet. So you can have this closed, someone could be out here washing their hands, doing their thing, while someone else is taking care of business in there, so that's great. Let's go out to the screen porch. And finally, screened-in porch. Beautiful scene out here. You can see this lake. Great place to live. Savannah quarters is fantastic. They got pools, they got golf courses, so a lot of beautiful homes. So if you want to make this your home, you can give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.